Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, for many of you, the flooding fears have eased, but we still have some trouble spots out here. I'm going to start out with the river levels map again, and it looks pretty sparse, and there's a reason for that, because I eliminated a lot of the colors where people aren't being affected. So just 4 flood stations in our area, these 3, and then the one again up near Williston, still experiencing some minor flooding. Everybody else is in pretty good shape right now, but because of these couple of stations, that's where we have the flood warnings that remain in effect for the Cannonball River till 3 o'clock on Friday, for Apple Creek until Wednesday about 9:30, and then for Beaver Creek down in the Linton area, that goes until about 9 a.m. on Wednesday. Beaver Creek is the one I'm most concerned about. Still a lot of ice on Beaver Creek down there. Today in the capital city, we got to 48 degrees, 1 degree below the average high of 49, still well below the record high of 76 set way back, actually not too far long ago, 2015. So not too long ago, it was mighty warm in the capital city. In Minot, you got to 44, 2 degrees below the average high of 46 and still below that record high of 70 degrees set back in 2015. Temperatures right now on this Sunday evening, mostly in the upper 20s to mid 30s, 35 in the capital city. You're at 30 in Watford City, 30 degrees in Beach, 28 degrees in Hettinger, and 27 degrees checking in our friends in Flasher tonight. Here's Precision Cache. You'll notice cloud cover on the increase. We will have a very small system that's going to slide by tomorrow morning, late tonight and early tomorrow morning for extreme southwestern sections. I think Bowman County will be the ones impacted the most by that. Then things clear out. Tuesday looks like a great day. So does Wednesday, but clouds will be on the increase ahead of our next weather maker, which you'll see right here, which could start out as some snow early in the day on Thursday and in the overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday before transitioning over to a mix of rain and snow. I got to zoom way in here for your snowfall amounts for the southwest. Maybe somebody sees a dusting anywhere in this light blue, but again, this will not be much of anything at all, maybe just some flakes flying through the air. Now to the river forecast. This is Apple Creek near Minokan. It has crested at 16 feet, slowly falling. Last time I checked, it was about 15 3/4 feet, but still projected to stay in minor flood stage through at least midweek. Meanwhile, the Cannonball River is falling and is expected to continue to fall, probably by the end of the week being out of minor flood stage. And then here's Beaver Creek at Linton, unfortunately projected to rise a little bit further into moderate flood stage and stay that way, kind of straddle that line between moderate and minor flooding for the next at least 4 or 5 days, unfortunately. So your forecast tonight for Bismarck and Mandan looking like this. 25 degrees. Might see some patchy fog developing after midnight. Don't expect it to be a widespread fog event, though. No fog in the Magic City. You'll dip to 25 degrees with some light south winds. Tomorrow, you will rise in Bismarck to 45 degrees. A nice seasonable day. Mostly cloudy skies. That fog should dissipate by about mid-morning. And then in the Magic City, 51, a nice warm day. But it will get a little breezy, especially by the afternoon. Here's a look at your 5-day forecast for Williston. Mostly cloudy skies to start off your work week. And then sunny, and then there's that little bit of rain and snow on Thursday. And then for Dickinson, pretty much the same thing, that chance for rain and snow. Temperature slowly warming. Look at that, 63 by Friday. And your extended forecast for the Bismarck area looking like this. A nice week on tap, except for that mix of rain and snow on Thursday. 60s for highs, though, by the end of the week. And in the Magic City, pretty much the same thing. Look at that, by Saturday and Sunday, Malik, 64 degrees. Nice and warm. Pull out the shorts and flip-flops.
I'd be surprised if that snow sticks with these temperatures.
Yeah, it should be gone pretty soon.
Well, good. Coming up next in sports, BSC baseball dazzles in its home opener.